Hello everyone, this is Randy from Olds Diesel. Welcome back to the channel. I wanted to show you something this evening. I was so happy to finally get it done. My old setup, my serpentine setup on my Olds Diesel. There it is, finally. Like I said, it's kind of a Frankenstein setup, and of course it is. I use that term from Hutch High Perf because he said so many different things is going to have to be taken care of for this setup from so many different vehicles, of course. I'll just show you real quick. This is a 302 pulley off of a Ford 302 or 351 pulley here that I had to modify for the Olds crank pulley. These brackets here, 91 through 94 Chevy 4.3 or 5.7 brackets, and I showed you before I made these brackets either out of steel or aluminum for each head, and I've got actually right now I've got an aluminum and a steel one on just for mounting purposes, like a mock-up. But these are the ones that I made with my chamfered holes, and I tapped the other holes for 3/8 bolts that go in the head. And this, like I say, this is just for mock-up. This is an old AC compressor, 91 through 94, 4.3, 5.7 Chevy. The biggest, hardest problem I had to find was the reverse rotation water pump. Yeah, I looked at the impeller on this pump here, and it could actually go either way. The impeller wasn't turned a certain way to go for clockwise or reverse rotation. They were just set straight up and down. So I believe this pump is gonna be okay to go either way. They're just straight. This power steering pump, 86 Olds Cutlass Salon, 307. This pulley here that goes on the pump is a Dorman 300-200. And the hardest thing I also had to find was this water pump pulley. Believe it or not, this is off of a big block Chevy 454 that I modified for this water pump. And I just happened to have a belt laying around that I fit on these pulleys, and by golly, it worked. It's a Duralast Duralast belt from AutoZone, 973K7. It's a 6-groove belt, and it fit on there great. Really, really good, and I was so happy. But again, there's my serpentine setup on a small block Olds, and a lot of sweat and aggravation with the grinder. Got my finger about 4 or 5 times, and the drill press, we went round and round just to make, this is the passenger side, this is the driver's side brackets that I had made for this setup. But there it is. Real happy that I got it finally done, and now I just got to finish the rest of the engine. But like I say, things take time, y'all know that. But anyway, if you like what you see, please hit that like and subscribe button. This is Randy from Olds Diesel. Have a great evening.